Now in the second part of the first module of the series, we are now come to our third example. In this example, we see on the board, in the series 64122 874215386. This is a series. How many pairs of successive numbers have a difference of t? He says that how many pairs of successive numbers have a difference of 2. Means if we consider the two numbers which are in sequence, one and another, and the difference we take, it should be 2. Let us check here. If we see on the board here, first number is 6 and succeeding number is 4. Now difference between there is 2, but here is 4 minus 6, so it will be minus 2 or plus 2. So we consider it as 1. Then 1 minus 4 or 4 minus 1, it is 3, not possible. 1 minus 2, 1 only. 2 minus 2, 0. 8 minus 2, it is more than 2, so not possible. 8, 7 rejected. Similarly, we consider 4, 2. Now 4 minus 2, it is again 2. Then 2 minus 1, not possible. Then 1, 5, not possible. Then we comes to 5, 3. That is 5 minus 3, it is 2. Then 8 minus 6, it is again 2. Then 2 minus 7, not possible. 7 minus 4, 1, not possible. 4 minus 1, 3, not possible. 3 minus 2, not 2. 2 minus 8, not possible. 8 minus 6, it is 2. So we have one pair here, 6 and 4. Another is our 4 2 second, and next is 8 6, it is 3. So there are at least 3 pairs we have which gives the correct answer, that is the difference of two numbers. One is preceding as another is succeeding. There two numbers 6 and 4 gives 2. Then say 4 minus 2 gives 2. 5 minus 3 gives 2. And then 8 minus 6 give 2. And 8 minus 6 again gives 2. So let me count it. It is our 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, and last one is our 5. So these are the 5 pairs which give the correct answer. So our answer will be this one, option D, 5 answer. So in this way we have find the number of pairs of successive numbers as well as preceding number. Both becomes a pair. One is forward, another is back, and their difference is 2. These are 5 such numbers and we are able to find it. So this is a procedure we will follow here. Next we come to our fourth example of the second part of this module. How many 7s are there in the series? How many 7s are there in the series? 7 4 2, 7 6 4, 3 6, 7 5 7, then 3 5 7, 8 4, 3 7 6, 7 2 4 0, 6 7 4 3. This is the longest series I have taken so that we shall be able to understand the concept very carefully of its complexity. 7 4 2 7, 6 4, 3 6, 7 5, 3 5, 7 8 4, 3 7 6, 7 2 4 0, 6 7 4 3. Now see here what he wants. Immediately preceded by 6. He says that before 7 there should be 6, but not immediately followed by 4. Before 7 it should be 6, and next number after 7 should be other than 4, not immediately followed by 4. Means we should have those numbers in which before 7 we should have 6 and after 7 we should not have 4. So let me find out those combinations. See on the board very carefully. See here 7, 4, 2. After 7 we have 4, we doesn't want it, so we cancel it. Next is we have 7, 6, 4. Again see here immediately preceded by 6. Preceded means before 7 it should be 6. Here it is okay. 7 have 2, not possible, rejected. Then again 7 it have 6, is not possible. So we continue like this. Let us see this one 6, 7, 5. If we see carefully 6, 7, 5, we have 6 before 7, okay, and 5 after 7. So this suits our first result, that 7 has a number 7 has a number 6 before it and 5. So first pair we get here. Then we comes to next one 3, 5, 7, 8, not possible. Here it should be 6, which is not here. Then we see 7 here, it is 3 here, it is not possible. Then what about here 6, 7, 2? 6, 7, 2, it is possible. This makes a sense. 7 has a preceding number 6 and 2 after 7, but not 4, which is satisfying the result. So this is our second number. First one is this 1, 2, and other is rejected because here 7 has a succeeding number 4, which we doesn't want. So our first and second pair, see here, first and second gives the result 6 is the preceding number of 7 and 5 comes after 7, okay, and next one is 6 is the preceding number of 7 and 2 comes after 7. So our correct option will be here 2 and this is B. So this is our answer. So dear students, today we have learned how to find the requesting solutions of a complex number of series, and these series do not have any standard sequence or standard formula to solve, but we have to analyze these series carefully so that we shall be able to give our correct answers. For these series we have to make a special concentration regarding the arrangements of digits in the series. I hope you have understand this concept very thoroughly. Please go it again and follow the steps which I have explained to you while solving these 4 examples. Thank you. If you like this video, then please do it again and again so that you may become perfect in this type of questions. Thank you very much.